Today I'm going to share to you what Ford Territory's infotainment system looks like. Basically, it is a 10-inch touchscreen located at the center of the dash. It allows us to control music, air conditioning system, lights, and other settings in our car. Although it is touchscreen, we can also use the buttons and the knobs located at the center of the console. Ito yung 4 pages ng infotainment system. The first one will be for the temperature ng ating sasakyan. This page allows us to control the temperature inside our car. There is also an option for fan speed. We can also choose auto if we would like the temperature to be automatically adjusted without us manipulating it. We can recirculate the air, defrost the windshields and the side mirrors together with the rear window. There is also an option for an ionizer which can improve the cabin air. The next one will be the multimedia system. If our smartphone is connected to our car, it will be reflected on this page. Pwede nating i-view yung ating phone book, call history, basahin ang mga messages, magpatugtog ng music, and even gumamit ng maps and ways. Parang hawak-hawak na rin natin yung smartphone natin. Ang galing! Apple CarPlay can be used wireless while you will be needing to plug via USB your Android Auto. On the third page, we can see the 360 degrees camera, car settings, brightness adjustment, and the on and off button. Vehicle settings natin makikita yung mga information about sa sasakyan natin, kagaya ng gano'n na ba kalayo yung nadra-drive natin, ilan pa ba yung gasolina, the tire pressure, and gaano ba ako kabilis magmaneho. Sa lahat ng to, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, the tire pressure monitoring, which is very special about the Ford Territory. Kitang-kita mo kung kailangan mo na bang magpa-inflate ng sasakyan. Dito naman natin makikita yung mga bagay na related sa safety natin while driving, including the collision warning and the blind spot monitoring. We can also activate yung emergency braking system. We can even adjust the sensitivity settings of our sensors. Another feature on this page will be the body settings. From here, we can adjust the follow home, courtesy lamp, room lamp, rear defroster. We can also activate the speed lock, auto window, and the smart lock. And of course, this is where we can adjust the ambient light settings of our car's interior. We can choose the brightness settings and the color that we prefer. Going back, this is where we can adjust our Bluetooth settings. Dito rin natin pwedeng i-pair yung smartphone natin, whether it's Android or Apple. Pwede natin palitan yung language, there's even in Spanish available, and yung oras. We can change the brightness of the infotainment system para mas maging madali sa atin na ma-visualize yung mga nakasulat. On the second part, pwede natin i-adjust yung volume ng ating mga sensors and audio, especially kapag masyado tayong naiingayan at hindi tayo makafocus sa pagdadrive. Another helpful feature of the Ford Territory is this, the available instructional manual na nasa infotainment system. So anytime you need it, you can browse it, especially in cases na meron tayong mga emergency. There is also a drop-down menu for our vehicle's audio. We can personalize it based on our preferences. Every category can be adjusted based on how we like it. Going back, you can restore the factory settings of your car on this page, and you can also change the unit settings. Scrolling through this infotainment system, we can see that there is a slight delay. It is also important that we memorize the location of the settings or the features that we are looking for so that we won't be confused. There are many buttons to be pressed and there are many adjustments that can be made. The font size is easy to read, the information is easy to visualize, and the font type is clean. If you are going to press the 360 degrees camera, this is what you will see. There is a 3D view and a 2D view. If we are going to press this part, we can see the 2D view. There are guidelines available for reverse and for forward driving. By pressing this again, we can see the 3D view. and we can change the view by pressing the small buttons located on the infotainment system. I find this very handy and convenient, especially when parking through a very narrow space or if you just want to check your surroundings without going outside the car. So far, it is accurate, although sometimes there can be a bit distortion. But with the help of this 360 degrees camera, together with the available sensors, it will be easy to ensure the safety of our car and the safety of our drive. So far, this is one of the features that I love the most because I have used this a lot. There you have it guys, the 4-territory Titanium Plus infotainment system. I hope that you enjoyed our quick overview. Thank you for watching and drive safely. Bye!